Green flag at the back. Here come the lights. The Canadian Grand Prix is underway. George Russell gets the launch off the line that he was looking for. Max Verstappen in second. Around the outside goes Kimi Antonelli. Will he go brave to the inside to try and take third? He does so, and he improves. On used tyres, you're on board with Lando Norris. Wide moment for Fernando Alonso. Past the Aston Martin here surely and improve up to P6.
We're going to see Lando Norris get a fairly easy pass here on Lewis Hamilton.
Yeah, the hard tyre is the one to be on. Lewis Hamilton's coming into the pits, but he's going to be past. 4.1 seconds separate the top four. We've waited a while for them to bunch up, but bunch up they have for the second McLaren in the Grand Prix. It's close this time, and they both make the chicane. Huge pressure right.
It would be very brave to get a pass here.
Oh, that angle made it look like he was going for the latest. Is there an opportunity for Lando Norris? Thinking about it to the inside. Piastri tries to fight back. The crowd on their feet in the grandstand. The top two in the World Championship side by side. Late on the brakes for Piastri. We go to turn one. No, he's ripped off the front wing. The McLarens collide. Lando Norris into the wall. Is out.
He risked all. You see, he goes a bit deep through the right. That compromises him a bit. He's actually hit his wing on the back.
Yeah, I think it is. It's a misjudgment. That space is going to open up, and it just doesn't. So he drives into the back of his teammate. He's done such good work.
We're going to get a perfect view of this. Just misjudged.
Across the line we go. George Russell wins the Canadian Grand Prix, and he converts pole position.